Can you use Minecraft command block basics? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you want to simply open the world where the cheats are enabled, and once you're inside your world, you want to simply go to this chat section over here and type in your command to get your command block over here. You want to simply type it out, this code over here, /give your username over here and command block over here. After that, you want to simply tap on next over here. After that, you want to simply tap on enter over here. By doing so, you'll be able to get your command block if the cheats are enabled on your world. By doing so, you'll be able to place the command block on the ground, tap or right click on the command block to open its settings, and you want to enter a command such as set time, set day, and you want to simply power the command block using a redstone lever and a button as well. And by doing so, you'll be able to activate the redstone device to run the command. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.